Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I hope you enjoy this video. Check out some of my other content and subscribe to my channel. You can always show your support for my channel by liking this video, sharing this video, and leaving a comment down below. Also, if you're interested in nail care products, like cuticle oil and cuticle butter, you can shop my website, and that will be linked down below as well. So today's video, like in my last video, it's just a design video. I didn't feel like building out nails with my flexi hand or anything like that. I did already do my nails, and I am going to do a video on my nails, but I tried a new technique with the Gel X full coverage tips and applying them with acrylic. So I kind of wanted to see how they wear first before I do the video. But I will, in the description box, list the colors that are used on my nail, and look for that video in the next couple of weeks, and it'll be applying Gel X tips with acrylic or something like that. So that video will be coming up. So today's video is just a design video, and the acrylics I'm using are from Not Polish. They are glow in the dark acrylics, and I may have used these acrylics before. I'm really trying to use the stuff that I have more often, so you might see some colors that are repeated in these videos. But I do have a lot of products that I'm probably never going to get to the bottom of the pot, but I want to use them a little bit more, and I don't want to keep buying more products when I have so much that I haven't used enough of. Also, I do have acrylic videos coming up. There are 2 videos I have coming up, and both of these acrylic lines are Black owned businesses, so look for those 2 videos as well. But again, these polishes, I always say polishes, these acrylics are by Not Polish. I'm using purple white, that's the white, and the minty green is Luminous Ladies. So you're just gonna see me doing essentially just basic nails. I will do one marble, but with just the Luminous Ladies and the purple white, but the other 4 nails are just basic, so you could just watch me apply the acrylic, and hopefully that's relaxing. And you can kind of get an idea of how easy this acrylic is to work with. I do tend to work a little bit wetter than I probably should, but you can see that if you pat it down on the sides first and then work through the middle, you can catch the acrylic before it runs off into the side walls. So just watch me apply the acrylics here, and yeah, nothing special, just the only nail that's kind of an accent nail is the marble nail. But speaking of my upcoming content, so I did mention I will be featuring 2 Black owned acrylic lines. Also, let me know in the comments down below some more videos that you guys want to see from me. I did kind of say that I'm kind of over polygel a little bit, but I can do polygel videos if you guys do want to see that. I do want to use my acrylics a little bit more. I'm getting way better at applying my acrylics, and that's kind of where I've been wanting to work. But if there's something you guys want to see, definitely leave me that in the comments down below. And again, one of my other upcoming videos was applying the Gel X tips from the ones I got from AliExpress, applying those with acrylic. So again, let me know what you kind of want to see from me in the comments down below. And one thing I kind of wanted to talk about today is, last week I was watching a video. The lady's name is Glamazante. She has like an online boutique, and then she does a lot of vlog videos. And she was talking about starting her YouTube channel and kind of giving advice to people about just getting started. Everything doesn't have to be perfect. And it's a really good video. I'm actually going to link that in the description box below. It's a really, really good video. So I just wanted to kind of share that with you guys. If you're just starting out your YouTube channel, definitely check out that video. But then fast forward, I was talking to one of my subscribers, and this lady has been subscribed to me since the very beginning of my YouTube journey. And I'm not going to shout out her name because I didn't tell her I was going to mention this, so I don't want to, you know, put her business out there. So we were talking about getting started on YouTube, and she knows who she is. She definitely knows who she is. And she was talking about getting started and just certain different things about her life or whatever. And one of the things I did, I got started and I didn't have the right lighting. I was recording my videos not in landscape mode. Like, my voiceovers weren't that good. Just a lot of stuff wasn't that good. But as I watched more videos on how to edit, watched more videos on how to shoot, I started to implement those things and I got better. And still today, if you can look at my channel and you can see that I've changed my thumbnails about 18 different times, like trying to find that perfect aesthetic for me. I know what I want in my head, but just trying to execute that. So just playing with different apps that you can do thumbnails in, different editing apps. And there's certain things that I want to add to my video that my current editing software won't allow me to do. I do edit in iMovie, and some clips I want to speed up a little bit more. Some clips I want to add just text, not to the whole clip. But there's apps that I could do that with, but the aesthetic of those apps aren't really what I want. I know I want to upgrade to Final Cut Pro. I know that I want to upgrade from editing on my iPad to a MacBook, but that's just what I'm working for. I can't do that now, and it might be a while before I can have access to both of those things, but that's just something that I'm working for now. Making the best out of what I have right now, and then just knowing where I want to go. So I'm saying all that to say, like, it doesn't have to be perfect. My videos aren't perfect. Some of my transitions I can only do what the apps allow me to do, while adhering as best as I can to the aesthetic that I want. So you just got to make the best out of what you have, and then as you grow, then you can just upgrade your camera, upgrade your editing software, things like that. So if anyone's trying to start a YouTube, just put out the video and then put out the next video and then just keep growing. I'm definitely nowhere near perfect, and even with some of my nail designs, I'm nowhere near perfect, but I don't beat myself up for it. I just take away what I can and just apply that the next time, or apply it a month later, whatever. It's a process. So if anyone out there wants to get started, definitely get started and check out the video by Glamazon Tay that I linked down below. And yeah, definitely, if you just put that video out there. So I'm using these butterfly stickers that I got from AliExpress, and I don't know. They have all these little cutouts in them that I couldn't get out, so I ended up wrinkling that sticker, so I gave up on that one. And then I went back in and tried to do a different sticker, and I ended up pulling out all those little cutouts with my X-Acto knife. So I don't know if it's the quality of the stickers, if they weren't cut good enough, or it's just the fact that there were so many small cutouts. I don't use stickers very often, if ever. I don't really use my water decals ever. And again, this is something else that I want to start using because I already have it. I want to start using these things before buying more. So I was like, I'm going to use these butterfly stickers and some glow in the dark, because I wanted to see how it would look, how the glow in the dark would look underneath the sticker. Like if the glow in the dark would be bright enough that you can still see the sticker clearly in the dark. So that's kind of what I was going for in this video. So I'm just applying the stickers here, and I am, after I get the stickers applied to both the solid minty colored nails, I'm going to encapsulate all of the nails. I leave some of my encapsulation in because it is a little satisfying to watch, at least that's what I think, but I didn't leave it all in. I did encapsulate with Tones Acrylic, and the color that I used was Glass. And it's a really, really clear acrylic. I've had it for a while. Don't know why I don't use it. But I do have a blooper moment when I'm trying to show you how clear the acrylic is. So I'll just let you guys watch for a couple seconds, and then I will be back to talk to you during my blooper moment. So that is the last nail I show encapsulated. That is everything encapsulated and filed. Before I get to top coating, I wanted to show you guys these really cute bracelets that my friend Carmen makes. I know they don't match, but I just wanted to wear all three for the video. So she makes these. These are handmade, and I'm going to link her Instagram down below. Check out her Instagram. She's still uploading all her pictures of all her designs and everything like that. But if you are interested in a design or you have any questions for her, definitely send her a DM, questions, pricings, what have you, and then she will get back to you. So I will link her Instagram down below. The top coat that I'm using is by Not Polish, and this is a super thick top coat, and it's actually the top coat I have on my nails right now, and I really like this top coat. It's pretty thick, it's really shiny, and it's just a super like smooth finish. I don't know, I really like this top coat, and I'm kind of laughing to myself because I know the blooper is coming. So I'm trying to show you how clear that acrylic is, and I pulled my camera down and a piece off my little stand holder fell off, dropped my camera, knocked all my nails off the stand. So it really wasn't meant for me to show you how clear that acrylic is, but it's pretty clear. That was Tones Acrylic in Glass. So I'm just gonna go over the top coat a little bit and the ones that fell over. I got some top coat on my desktop, but that is fine. I could just clean that off with alcohol. But as I was saying, yeah, this is a pretty thick top coat. I did cure it for 2 minutes, and like I said, it is the top coat that I have on my nails, and I really like it. So I will be doing a video on the method that I did the nails that I'm wearing in an upcoming video, but I will leave in the description box the colors that I used for this design. So definitely check out the description box for that. I'm going to link Carmen her Instagram down below. If you're interested in like beaded bracelets or beaded jewelry, you can check out her Instagram, DM her for more information. And then I'm gonna leave a link to that video that I was watching that I kind of touched on earlier by Glamazante. I'm gonna leave that in the description box as well. And you guys definitely let me know. I will be having a few acrylic videos upcoming, but let me know what other kinds of videos you want to see. Ask me questions, like questions that you have about the process or whatever. If I get enough, or I think the question's really good, I'll probably just make a whole video about it. So definitely let me know. Ask me what you guys want to know about nails and, you know, doing your nails yourself, and what kind of videos you guys want to see upcoming. So this is the finished product, and we are going to take a journey and see how well these glow. So I pulled them out of the lamp, and I'm not even out of my nail room, and you can already see them starting to glow. And this is me in my closet, and excuse a shaky camera, but look how well those glow. I was so impressed with that marble nail because you can see the marble in the dark. Like, the colors didn't like bleed and run together and just look mushy or whatever. You can still see that defined marble glow in the dark, and you can see the outline of the butterfly sticker pretty well. So I love this acrylic as a glow in the dark, and I will buy more soon. Just right now I'm trying just to use what I have more than once. So there you have the finished product, and it is a cute springy summery design. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. The nail tips and nail stand that I used for my practice videos is in my Amazon storefront under practice. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. Definitely make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. Make sure you like this video. Make sure you leave me a comment down below. And again, thank you so much for your support. Thank you so much for spending your time with me. And I will see you everyone back again soon for another video. Thanks for watching.